Now please bear with me, this is the fourth video I've been shooting today, and I wanted to make this quick video off script talking about the changes that are going to be happening to the YouTube channel and some quick shout out to some companies, along with one in particular that has been very vital into helping this channel grow and produce very high quality content. So let's just jump right into it, shall we? So what I want to do is give a big shout out to Rode for supplying me with an NTG4 Plus, which is the microphone that I've been using in the past couple of videos. And you can always find a link to the microphone in the description of all the videos in the future. So big shout out to Rode for providing this microphone. As you can tell right here, you may not have been able to notice, but here's the microphone. And this microphone is actually being powered by a very budget-friendly option, which I found from a video by DSLR Video Shooter, which I'll leave a link in the description down below if you want to check that video out. But in short, it's basically a preamp that's made for smartphones, but is adapted to the preamp so I can actually use it. And it only costed me around $45 to get a preamp combo that actually powers this thing and makes pretty clear audio compared to some other preamps, which are over $100. So this option is really good, and I'm very excited to see what kind of content we can make with this microphone in the future. It sounds really good, and if you have any recommendations for audio settings, comment down below. I'd love to hear what you all thought if there's some people out there who are really good with audio, because I'm still learning, but this microphone is a big step forward for us. Now, in regards to a big step forward for the channel, I want to talk about a new hire we made. Yes, we hired somebody for the YouTube channel, and you might be wondering, how can you hire somebody? You're not really that big of a channel, but it's kind of we brought a person on who has been working with us on the side with some live streams. And if you've been watching live streams, you know who he is. And he's also been helping us a lot with the Discord community. His name is Zack. And he's basically been helping out by playing games with us on live streams, like playing Fortnite, PUBG, and all that sort of stuff. But now we have officially hired him as our manager. Now that manager role basically gives him power to do outreaching to brands, help develop our Discord community, try to help develop the channel as a whole, and do some of the behind the scenes stuff that me and Jackson normally did, but just want to take off our shoulders because it allows us to just mentally focus on creating content and not have to worry about the back end stuff. And we basically are paying him by putting together almost a brand new gaming PC for him that's being sourced together by a bunch of companies. So stay tuned for that video. It's pretty much a gaming PC / setup upgrade. So his PC is going to be pretty baller after this. So special thanks to all the companies who helped us do that and actually allowed us to get him on staff with us to help out and make it an official Toasty Bro. So basically we have 3 now, so there's 3 of us, so that's kind of cool. But in short, it's a really good hire for us, and it's allowed me to think more clearly about the content we want to make and kind of not get lost in the whole review sauce, which is where I'm going to go next with this. But first, I really need some water. Again, 4th video. Okay, so we're going to be moving away from product reviews. Yeah, you heard that. We're really going to be moving away from reviewing products, and there's a particular reason for this. We originally started this channel with PC builds and PC mods, and yes, we actually made a video pretty similar to what I'm about to say about a year ago. If you want to watch that video, in the top right corner. But we really never took it seriously because me and Jackson just kind of got lost in the review sauce. That's the best way to say it. And that's probably a new phrase for our channel. But we got really lost in that whole scene, and we basically have been reviewing keyboard after keyboard, headset after headset, and it's kind of transitioned into being a very bland overturn of content that's really not helping the channel grow any. And we know what you all want. We know you all want PC builds. We hear you all talking, where are the PC builds? When are you going to do more PC builds? And we totally understand that. So after this week, which I'm just going to warn you, this coming week is going to be a boatload of reviews. It's going to be review week. We're dropping all the reviews as basically an upload every day this upcoming week. And we're going to dump all the reviews and basically get ourselves prepped with a clean slate with no company obligations to allow us to create more creative content around PC builds, PC mods, and all that sort of fun stuff. I guess that was a mouthful, but it is a really big transition for our channel, and we're very excited to be making this step because I want to just build PCs. I want to have fun building PCs, trying out older hardware, putting together mods, doing all this sort of fun stuff. We have a big collaboration coming up with a bunch of other YouTubers, which there's a bunch of teasers on my Twitter if you want to go follow me to see who's involved in that. But there's a lot of stuff that's going to be going on this channel for the next couple of months, and we're kind of making this a 3-month period where we have some really big projects planned planned for the next 3 months to where it could be a big turning point for this channel, and hopefully you all stick around long enough to see what this channel can actually become when we actually do what we need to be doing and creating much more creative content that is not focused around brands and product reviews. So yeah, if you're a brand watching this, be sure to shoot me an email because I would love to talk to you about how we can integrate you into the future of this channel, because we are moving on from doing dedicated product reviews for most cases. We really want to integrate the brands we've worked with, like keyboard manufacturers, headset manufacturers, into the PC builds that we're doing, and we have some creative ideas of how we can do that. But again, we are moving away from dedicated product reviews, so if you want to do more product integration stuff, hit us up on our email. You know how to get in contact with us. And that about wraps this video up here, guys. If you liked this video, leave a like down below and comment yay with as many Y's as you possibly can so that YouTube bans your comment in the spam filter down below. I'll be sure to unban as many of them as I possibly can. And also, I really want to know, what kind of PC builds are you looking for? Do you have any ideas on the top of your head that you would love to do but can't either do it financially or physically and you want us to try it out? Hey, we'll be glad to do so. We have 3 months planned already and would love to backlog a bunch of other ideas that we could get done in the near future, and I think this is prime time for getting a lot of really good stuff out to you all. Be sure to subscribe so you can see exactly when these videos go live, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.